Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Asian Academy. In this video, we are still continuing everything about text effect and transformation. So in this part, we are talking about the CSS word break property and also one more. So let's move. The CSS word break property specifies how words should break when reaching the end of a line. This property can take one of the following value. That is the normal value. This is default. It uses default line breaking rules of language. Then we have break all, that is allows words to be broken at any character to prevent overflow. We have keep all, that is prevent word from breaking at all. So now we have the normal word break and we have the break all. Now let's create an example around that. So come to our this thing. What do we want? H1. Then say the word break property. Oh. Then after that, we would have a p tag. Then inside this p tag, we'll say this paragraph contains some text. This line will break with at I fin. Then that's one. Then we'll also come here. We'll give it another p tag. Then we'll also have another p tag. Inside this p tag, we'll have the same sentence. Okay, let's just copy it. Okay, it has given. Now let's give this one. We'll give this one a class name. We'll say class equals to test 1. Then we'll also give this a class name. We'll say class test 2. Yes, that is perfect. Okay, so now let's come to our CSS and we'll style it. And first we'll say test 1. This is test 1. What do we want? We want the width of 150 pixel. We also want border of 1px solid. We use the same color. Then as well, we want padding of 8 pixel. Then we want word break. Oh, then we want word break. In this word break, we want normal. Then for p dot test 2, inside p dot test 2, we want width as well of 150 pixel. We want border of 1 pixel solid. Then as well, one padding of 8 pixel. Then in this aspect, instead of normal, our word break will be break all. Now let's check it out. I think we'll be having issues here. Yes. Break all. Now let's check it out. Now see the difference between the break. So this got broken on a normal way. And this one breaks, it didn't even bother whether there's another thing or something. It just broke it anyhow. Instead of this contain, can you see? I think I made a mistake with this contain song. Can you see where we had this break? It just broke it. This B. So that is that for word breaking. These two examples, normal word breaking and break all. Do you get? Now let's move to the next part. The next part which says the CSS writing mode property. The CSS writing mode property specifies whether the line of a text are laid out horizontally or vertically. This property can take one of the following values. That is, we have horizontal TB, which is default. The text flows horizontally from left to the right, vertically from top to bottom. Then we have vertical right, left. That is, the text flow vertically from top, bottom, and horizontally from right to the left. That is, and then we have vertical left, right. The text flows vertically from top to bottom and horizontally from left to right. So here we have, here is a text within a span element with a vertical right to left written mode. Now let's go to our own example. We'll come here as well, we'll have H1. Then we'll say the writing mode property. Yes. Then after that, we'll come to our p tag. I will say some text with default writing mode. Let's create space here. Then after this part, we would also say, have another p tag, which will say some text with a span. I hope my span is complete. Okay. Element with a, let's just span property here. Inside this part, span will say vertical RL writing mode. Now, that is one aspect. Now, let's move to the next aspect, which says p tag. Then inside p tag, we'll say, now let's just go with this. So this is it. Now, let's come to our p tag. We're going to style them. We'll give it class. We'll give this one class test1. And we'll come to this p tag. We'll give it test2. No, we don't need this one. Then we'll give this one test2. Yeah, so now let's come and style it. Hey, we already have test1, test2. Let's just give it test0 and test3. So come here. We'll say p dot test0. Inside test0, what are we doing? We'll give it writing mode, which is horizontal TB. Then we'll come here. Then the next one will say span. Inside span, what are we doing? Writing mode. Inside writing mode, what to vertical writing to left. Then we'll come here. We'll say p dot test. Sorry, inside p dot test3, want writing mode, which will be vertical left to right. Now let's check everything out. Now, can you see? We have, this is normal writing mode. This is another one. Vertical some text, which is vertical right to left. I hope you understand. So that is that for these two examples, word break property and writing mode property. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Tech Academy. See you next time. Bye.